Okay, so I'm back. Grabbed a bamboo. Bought these online, Amazon. I'll link them. Bought these on Amazon. I'll link those too. But here's the cucumber steak going in. And there is a tomato clip. Let's say banana clip. Here's a tomato clip. I'm just gonna grab this off of here. Steak this cucumber up. The one on my right is really good. There's the one here on the left that's laying over on the bed, and I just want to give it a chance to do something better than what it's doing. I know it naturally wants to grow over, viney, but I want it to grow up. So if we put this trellis, and that one says we put that trellis, I probably should have planted it over just a little bit, but I'm just going to stake it up a little bit to try to keep the plant healthy. Okay, that's that. Okay, I'm going to label my items just in case I forget what's in each area. So carrot tag is going in first. I see them sprouting up. Everything. They're open, those carrots. Carrots done. Looking around to broccoli. Got the broccoli done. Let's head over to the cabbage. Sorry about the bumpy ride. I do see the cabbage, that some of the cabbage germinated, and I see little plants. If you can't see it, I'm gonna point to it for you. Tag going in, and here's some plants right here. Now, I'm not sure, this one looks like it has two coming up out of it. I'm almost sure Mert probably did the same thing. I had walked away when he started doing it. I'm almost sure that he put more than one in each hole. But we're going to see. At least we've got 4 plants. Looks like there's like 5 so far. Nothing's coming up in it. Oh, yes, it is coming up. So that's looking okay. Okay, and one more thing to do. Right here in this bed, I'm going to label and stake up the cucumber, but I'll be right back. Let me go and get a stake. There's the tag, and let me grab the stake and a tomato clip. Okay, let's see how it's going. Oh, looking pretty. And I use salt and pepper. You've never put pepper in your watermelon, you should try it. Let you know how this goes. The baby ones, but it smells like watermelon. Mukbang. Oh my goodness. Oh, if I could just get them to be bigger. Oh, I may eat two. But I'm just getting them a little bigger. Actually, I think they're not supposed to be bigger. I think these are the baby. I said they're crimson. I can't remember what they are. Crimson sweet. Okay. I'm gonna finish this because I am going to smack it if you don't like my plain. It's drive crazy. And having to eat around the seeds. I'm okay with that. Eating around the seeds. Delicious. The only challenge is I have to eat two sides. Delicious, sweet, tiny, but good, which means I can eat two. Okay, what are you doing? Preparing these chalkboards to go in the barn. I want to see if I can get them cleaned up and looking nice so that they can be used. So take this journey with me. Here we go. You know, sometimes it's not always about gardening around here. I had some work to do to make sure I'm preparing for clients and These chalkboards were donated by a 501c3, and they are cleaning up very nicely. So it will contribute to the experience that my clients will have. I don't always go out and buy new things and shiny, bright, and new, but these work. And so if they work, they work. So I'm happy, you know. And if you're a 501c3, sometimes you should try looking for things that other 501c3s can donate to you to make your experience what it needs to be for your client. I am a grateful lecturer. I am a grateful expository teacher and instructor. And these are going to come in handy. Rather old school, but they're going to come in handy. Okay, we are all done. That is 6 chalk and cork board combinations that are all clean and ready to go. We're going to leave them stacked over here in the garage until we're ready to put them up. But I think it is a great donation from a 501c3. This is going to be a great addition to what we're doing, and our clients are going to love the interactiveness of how we use these boards while we're instructing and doing the other things that we do. I'm very grateful.